Another type of person who could be here is a content producer who produces videos. And so I mentioned YouTubers as people to invite. Some of them might want to actually relocate here longer term. So we could have gatherings of YouTubers where we have our invite list, but we also happen to invite a lot of people who might actually want to live here. And ideally, all the people that come here will be people who agree to a basic set of values. And so there might be YouTubers we think are awesome, that we think have great stuff, but they're never going to move here, and we still might have them here. You know, we can cross our audiences over, we can both benefit, but I would have a slight preference for people who actually want to relocate and live in this place. And we can improve things. I have green screens, I have cameras, I should have better cameras, I can have better lighting, I can build sets. And so content producers of all kinds are potentials for being part of the longer term community. And they'll be, if they're making money by being here, then they'll also be contributing more heavily. But we want to increase how much they're making. And these YouTubers and content creators can work together to make more money than they could on their own. I mean, ultimately, we could even have a fiction show. Not at all my goal, but it's one goal. It's just not very high on the priority list, I guess. But, how fun would it be to look at like what Hindu mythology exists and then make video versions of that as a story, to tell stories that are copyright free. And I just think of Hindu stuff because I'm reading some Hindu stuff lately, but it could be any mythology from anywhere in the world where we could then write that and update it and set it in current times so that we don't have a lot of costuming and makeup issues or stuff, although we could also get good with CGI and, there's options for directors and actors and we could actually produce, high quality, educational things for ethical education or even just to enjoy a great story. Be really fun. And if those are going to make money, we can figure out ways that people can get a cut of that money. We can do profit sharing on it. So instead of having investors getting all the money, we invest and we get the money ourselves. We could have an entire acting school here. It'd be fun. Acting is really fun. I've done some acting. I don't know if I'm a good actor or not, but it's fun. It's fun to be an actor. And, we could match people up with the right role. And, that'd be a blast. So, content producers.